Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this review, I am taking a look at the Bancomat EA, and according to the developer, this is an expert advisor that supports both MT5 and MT4. The MT5 version is available. It's what we are reviewing right now. Okay, and starting with the marketplace page, Bancomat is developed by Vladimir Klistov and is currently listed at 1,350 US dollars with a 1-year rental option available for 500 US dollars. The version shown here is 47.1, and one of the first things the developer highlights is that the EA is designed to trade across 20 currency pairs simultaneously. The description states that the core trading principle is based on hedging, which the developer describes as a way of ensuring transactions and reducing large drawdowns. The marketplace information also mentions that the EA does not require extensive configuration or optimization, although there are numerous parameters available for traders who want more control over how positions are managed. Moving through the features section, the recommended minimum deposit is 500 US dollars. All right, using a 0.01 lot size. The developer notes that profitability can be adjusted primarily through changes in position sizing, which makes lot selection one of the most important settings available. Now, looking at the inputs, there are several account level management features. For example, traders can define a total profit target across open positions, close all positions when account equity increases by a specified percentage, or set a maximum loss threshold where all trades will be closed. There is also a parameter for controlling the maximum number of open positions per pair, with the developer recommending no more than 3. Another interesting feature is the correlation setting. The EA allows traders to specify a minimum correlation coefficient before positions can be opened. According to the developer, this value typically ranges between 0.7 and 0.9, suggesting that correlation plays an important role in how trading opportunities are selected. Now, as I move into the backtesting section, this is where we evaluate the historical testing, performance, and overall behavior of the system. The developer notes that the MT4 version cannot be tested in the strategy tester, so any historical testing analysis will generally focus on the MT5 version. All right. So based on what we are seeing here, okay, we're just going to head over to our strategy tester so that we can analyze the results there. But let's first of all just look at what we have here. All right, so initial deposit $1,000, total net profit $575.99. Okay, so that's over 57%. And we can see from May 2020 to September 2020. Okay, and total trades taking were 2,501. Short trades 1,246 with 55.62% win rate. Long trades 1,255 with 60.4% win rate. Largest profit was $101.61. Largest loss was 62.05. Average profit 2.11. Average loss 2.37. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is close to 1:1, but the loss is bigger than the profit. And then the win rate is not really good enough, but perhaps because of the total number of trades reaching 2,500, perhaps that is why there was still some notable total net profit. Let's get over to our strategy tester. We're testing the Bancomat EA on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame, and we're testing it just over the past month, which is exactly about one week, because we are just about a week away from the beginning of this month. So we just tested it over 1 week, over 1 week. In addition to the data that we already have here in the marketplace. So we are using the last ping to the server for the delays, every tick modeling. All right. So based on what we can see here, total net profit was just about $2.05 from an $100,000 initial deposit. Total trades were 16. Short trades were 6 with 50% win rate. Long trades were 10 with 80% win rate. The largest profit was 112.5. The largest loss was 130.65. The average profit was $15.04 and the average loss was $32.68. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad as well. And the win rate is also not good enough. So I'm not surprised to see a very tiny total net profit. Okay, so when reviewing the historical chart activity, I'm looking for how the EA manages multiple currency pairs and how the hedging based approach behaves over time. Since the marketplace description specifically references hedging and correlation based decision making, those are the key elements that appear to drive the overall structure of the system. Now, one thing I always recommend is running longer term testing yourself. A broader historical sample can provide a better understanding of how an EA performs across different market environments, especially when multiple currency pairs and account level management rules are involved. So looking at the historical backtest results, it's important to remember that these are historical testing results only. Actual performance can vary based on lot size, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, account size, market conditions, and how the user configures the available parameters. Let's just quickly go over to turn on the visual so that we can see the EA in action just for a moment. Okay, so we can see the Bancomat EA in action. We can see this dashboard here as well. This shows us informations like the balance, and then we're also seeing Euro USD, USD CAD, Euro JPY, USD CHF, NZD USD, CHF JPY, confirming the multi-currency approach, right? Now, overall, the Bancomat EA offers a multi-currency approach with a hedging-based trading concept, extensive position management options, and support for both MT4 and MT5. But as always, before considering live deployment, I would strongly recommend to conducting your own testing and optimization to determine whether the EA fits your trading objectives and risk tolerance. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.